Good morning, students. I'm Christina Shakil, your maths teacher. Today's topic is least common multiple, means LCM. Students, in previous class, we have already learnt about factors and multiples and also about difference between factors and multiples. And today we are going to learn about LCM. But before starting the topic, first we will learn the meaning of LCM. L stands for least, means lowest. C stands for common, means repeated. M stands for multiple, means product. So, lowest common multiple is our today's topic. What is LCM? Determine common multiples of two or more two-digit. It means the multiples of any two numbers which are common in both the numbers are called common multiples. Students, there are two methods of finding LCM. The first one is common multiples method and the second one is prime factorization method. And prime factorization method is also called division method. So first we will learn about the common multiple method. For this we will see example number 1. We will find out the multiples of 4 and 6. Solution: multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Multiples of 6: 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48 and 6 nines are 54. These are all the multiples of 4 and 6. Now we will find out the common multiples of 4 and 6. Now students, look at all the multiples of 4 and 6 very carefully. So 12 and 12 are the common multiple, and then 24 and 24 here is also the common multiple of 6 and 4. So we can write here common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12 and 24. Now we will find the least common multiple. Least common multiple means the lowest common multiple. So between 12 and 24, 12 is the least common multiple. So our least common multiple is 12. Now students, let's do one more example. Here we will find first 4 common multiples of 8 and 12. First 4 common multiples of 8 and 12. Now solution is multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80, 8 elevens are 88, 8 nines are 8 elevens are 88, 8 twelves are 96 and so on. Now I am writing the multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108 and so on. So students, our target is determine first 4 common multiples. So we have to find first 4 multiples from all these multiples of 8 and 12. First 4 multiples, first 4 common multiples. So 8 is not common, 16 no, then 24, then 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 no, 72. Now here is 72. 72 is the common multiple, and then 96 is the common multiple. So common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, yes, 24 is also the common multiple, and then 48 is also the common multiple. So 24, 48, 72 and 96 are the common multiples of 8 and 12. So now we will find the least common multiple of 8 and 12 from these 4 common multiples. So the least common multiple is 24. So students, this method is called common multiples method. Now we will proceed towards the second method of finding LCM, that is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. And this method is also called division method. So let's start with example number 1. Find the prime factors of 36 and 45 using the factorization method. So student, factorization method is also division method. 36 is a even number, so we divide by 2. 36 is a even number, so we will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. When 1 is left, it becomes 6 becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16. Then again 2 times table, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is odd number, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Now the next number is 45, and 45 is an odd number. It can be divided by 3. 45. So 3 1s are 3, 1 is left. Now 5 becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. Again 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5. Because 5 is only comes in the table of 5 or 1. Now the prime factors of 45 are 3, 3 and 5. So students, factors of 36 and 45, the prime factors of 36 and 45 are 36, 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, and prime factors of 45 are 3, multiply by 3 and multiply by 5. So students, to find the LCM of 36 and 45, we multiply together all their prime factors, but we include their common prime factors only once. So it means here are all the prime factors of 36, here are all the prime factors of 45. Now we multiply all together, but we include their common prime factors only by once. It means we will write only by once. So first we will find out the common factor. Here 3 is the common factor, and again this 3 is the common factor. So it means we will write 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, because 2 3s are common factors. We will write these both 3s only once, then again this 3 only once. Then 5 is left, we will write 5 here. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Now we will multiply all the numbers, all the common prime factors together. First we will multiply these two. 2 2s are 4, then 3 3s are 9. Now this 5 we will write it down as it is. Then 4 9s are 36. Multiply this 5 we will write as it is down. Now 36 multiply by 5. 36 multiply by 5. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. So 36 multiply by 5 is equal to 180. So here students, you will see it again. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 5 we will write it as it is. Again 4 9s are 36, 5 down. Then 36 multiplied by 5. 36 multiplied by 5, answer is 180. The LCM of 36 and 45 is 180. Now next example is, let's do one more example to find the least common multiple of 24, 36 and 48. These are all are, as you can see, these all numbers are even numbers, so it can be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, it becomes 16, 6 becomes 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Next number is 48. Again it will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now students, we will write all the prime factors. Prime factors of 24 are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Now 36, factors of 36, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Now factors of 48, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and then 3. Now we will find out the common prime factors of 24, 36 and 48. So students, look at very carefully. If the number is common in two digits, it will become the common factor. So here 2 is in all three prime factors. Here 2 is also in all three. Now 3 is in 2 prime factors and 3 is also here common. So students, I am writing here all the common prime factors and the leftover numbers. So this 2 becomes ones. Multiply all these 3 2's becomes ones. Then this 2 here and this 2 here. Yes, this 2 is also common because it is twice. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and this 2 is left single. I am writing this 2 is again. Now this 3 ones and this 3 ones. So now we will multiply all together. 2 2's are 4, then again 2 2's are 4 and 3 3's are 9. Then 4 4's are 16 and this 9 we will write it down again as it is. Now 16 multiply by 9. 9 6's are 54. 9 1's are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 144. 16 multiplied by 9 is 144. So the LCM of 24, 36 and 48 is 144. Okay, now students, it's time for your homework. But before that students, I hope you all understand the concept of LCM very clearly and how to find the LCM by common multiples method and by prime factorization method. So students, your home task is question number 1, find the LCM of the following numbers by common multiples method. Number 1, 6 and 9. Number 2, 25 and 15. Number 3, 12 and 14. And number 4, 10 and 20. So you have to find out the common multiples. Find the LCM by the method of common multiples method, by using the common multiple method. Then question number 2, find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. This is also called division method, as you can already learned about this. Question number 1, 42 and 18. You will find out the LCM of 42 and 18, then 15 and 36, then 12 and 45, and number 4 is 35 and 15. And students, exercise 2.5, this homework is from your mathematics book from page 42, exercise 2.7, and you will do it in your neat copy. Students, do the homework in your copy, in your neat maths copy. When your classes will be resumed, marks will be given on the basis of these home tasks or activities. Okay, thank you students. God bless you all. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.